11.3 variables and expressions. I can evaluate variables expressions.
I can evaluate variable expressions. Thank you, Isaac. What does evaluate mean, everybody?
Solve.
Solve. A variable expression would be a sentence with numbers in it and variables. Number 2. We're evaluating algebraic expressions. So if I give you, please, again, this video is for you, not for me. If I simply give you 3 plus x, could you solve that, you guys?
No.
But if I told you 3 plus x and x equals 2, can you solve that?
Yes.
Obviously, that's what we did. So not a lot of complexity for number 3. Number 4, same thing. We're just plugging in the numbers for the variables. Number 5 is really why we're doing this. We have a word problem in which we're talking about the number of adults and the number of kids who go to a zoo. We found out that a ticket for an adult is $7, a ticket for a child is $5. And on Tuesday, so yesterday, 200 adults went to the zoo and 300 children. Is that going to be the same with every single day?
No.
No, it's not going to be the same for every single day. And we want to create or write a code in a computer so that at the end of each day, we can tell how much money we made in ticket sales. The question is just how much did we make on Tuesday, but I want to know how much we make every day. So we decided that we're going to call A, the number of adults that come to the zoo, and B, the number of children that come to the zoo. And then our coding, or our formula is going to be $7 for an adult, plus $5 for a child, and that is always going to give us the number or the amount of money we made in ticket sales. So on Tuesday, if it's $7 for an adult, 200 adults came, and it's $5 for a student and 300 students came, or 300 children came, we can do the math, 1,400, 1,500, add them together, and we got $2,900. Now today, which is Wednesday, could that number, or will that number most likely change as far as the number of adults and the number of children coming to the zoo?
Yeah.
Obviously. So now we have this one formula right there that we can use for every single day of the week until we decide to change ticket prices. Make sense?
Yeah.
Number 6, number 7, and number 8 are simply more expressions that you're plugging in the variables for and solving. The cheat sheet idea says, I think this came from Molly and Rayma, make sure you know what your variables represent. So down here to number 5, we knew that A was the number of adults and B were the number of children because we wrote it down so we wouldn't forget. Questions?